Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I would like to talk about EPS wolfport mould. Basically, they have two types of wolfport mould in the Australian market. This is the fixed mould where we'll install the EPS filling gun and ejector. This wolfport mould total have 15 pieces filling gun and 6 pieces of ejector. The dimension of the EPS wolfport slab is 1090 by 1090. The thickness is 300 mm. This is the position pin where it's very useful when you change the cavity from the 300 mm to 225 mm. Now let me show you the back side of this mold so you can see a little bit more. If there is anything we can say about this mold, is that the care must be taken for the demold slope and the cooling system must in the right place, otherwise it will effective the demold. This is the 300 mm thickness EPS wolfport mold. Now let me show you the 225 thickness EPS wolfport mold. We are using the Germany type EPS filling gun. The out diameter is 24 mm. The inner diameter is 20 mm. Compared with the regular type EPS filling gun, the filling speed is a little bit quicker. This is pretty much everything I want to show you for this EPS wolfport mold. For more information, please reach us by email or leave your comments below. See you next video.